Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Corolla belt. First, gather your tools, including a Serpentine belt tool, a socket wrench set, and your new belt. Always prioritize safety by ensuring the engine is completely cool before starting. Also, make sure your vehicle is securely supported on jack stands, not just a jack, for maximum stability during the repair. Next, locate the Serpentine belt routing diagram, often found on a sticker under your hood. This diagram is crucial for proper reinstallation. Then, find the belt tensioner pulley. It typically has a square hole or a bolt head designed for your Serpentine belt tool or a socket wrench. Apply steady pressure to rotate the tensioner and release the belt's tension. With the tension released, carefully slip the old belt off all the pulleys. Take a moment to inspect the old belt for cracks or wear. Now, using your routing diagram, meticulously guide the new belt around each pulley. Double-check that it sits correctly in all the grooves. Once routed, slowly release the tensioner to allow the new belt to become taut. Before closing up, do a final visual inspection to ensure the new belt is perfectly seated on every pulley. Start your engine for a short moment to confirm everything is running smoothly and there are no unusual noises like squealing. If all looks good, you've successfully replaced your belt. And speaking of upgrades, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for a smarter clean. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.